Hello everyone, welcome to the another video. So in this video we are going to install the latest version of ns3 3.43 that release was released on October 9, 2024. Click download here to download the latest release. So now we are going to download ns3 3.43. If you want to see the changes, what the changes are made at, you can go through this document here. Now we are going to simply download the ns3 latest version and we are going to install it. So here you can see I'm already downloaded here. Right click and extract. So now it is preparing for extracting. And now just move this file to our home directory here. So already I installed ns3 4.2. If you want to upgrade, means you can directly upgrade. For demo purpose only I am going to install new one. So here you can see how to run the file. So just open in terminal here. ls. So here you can find the ns3. First run this command /ns3 configure. It will take sometimes based on your system speed and system configuration. When it's done, you can list the files here. Scratch. Scratch simulator. Now we are going to run this file to check the path scratch simulator, if we properly install it or not. So sorry. So in that I have just backward /ns3 space run scratch. In that file we are going to run this file. So scratch -simulator.cc scratch -simulator.cc. Just click enter. So now our buildings are started. It takes some times, so wait until it's completed. And before that we will see what are all the examples are given in ns3.43. And these are all the examples: naming network, IPv6, and error models, energy models, routing, TCP, and traffic control, UDP client to wireless. So now we are going to enter in wireless and check what are the examples given. And here you can see Wi-Fi ad hoc, Wi-Fi 802.W1n, and Wi-Fi sleep, spatial, and these are all the examples given. So our buildings are get started. Wait until it's completed. And done. The build has been completed. Now you can find the program run successfully in Scratch Simulator. So once again I will run it. So to run ns program /ns3 space run. So I'm going to run the file from the Scratch folder. So scratch scratch. So and this is the file name, just I click enter. So now the program ran successful.